thieth gi nomedre. Silvario gisani from 2019 up now, less than 100 doctors must be employed. So you moki employed dakriche nti dakriche matho.
To ang'o momiyo mae timore? Ang'o momiyo sirikal ma pacho kok dwa ndiko lakteche tich? Tadiera jo Kenya duto nitiere kod ratiro mar yudo thieth makare. Daktari kidhi hospital kacha nyaka ine daktari. Ang'o momiyo ok ndik gi tich? Nikech sekta mar thieth nitiere sirikal mar kaunti koso ang'o matimo?
Begin this shortage was a bit of county government. To when they don't understand kaka na budget mar healthcare timo. Mondo MCA watch ni health committee wakae what they made of pesa from this to this amount because of this onyonia ni census wakara rate mar nyuol makae osemedore ikakinyonia ni jopiny ywak ni kagidhi hospital mar sirikal to ng'ato dhi the whole day makidhi Russia to kaka dhi gokinyi iwuok mar sapar odhiambo meji ok dhi thiedhni to ng'ato kata konyre kata ma weche thietha gi kata dhi surgery inyisi ni iri duoga after 3 months eka line no chopo mar dhi e theater. That is how MCA should know tagruok mag jopiny to relate gi tagruok ni gi how to budget for it. Seche ma ikawo nasa chiel emi oro nyabola dispensary gwengwa kabodho to nas ni odwa tiyo to do bet gi weekend off to do dhi leave to two every emergencies ge maseche mo oyudo emergencies gi to loro dispensary ka jopiny chopo dispensary to mine man mapek madaro clinic ok yud konyruok. Those are the things makade biriwan gi jok ma competent enough to gikelo gi budget to kanisa nigi ng'iyo niya mikao mi county like sema wach ni omigi kata maybe 2 billion from the exchequer or 3 to ng'iyo ni they like saying this thing of new wage bill ni 70% of pesa wa moto budget not in healthcare already. But if you look at the thing make it healthcare any ng'ato dhi to gero hospital to go keto ji anoka paponditi kacha nyogere maternity maduong man almost 2 years now is not functional because okay nasa nyalo tiye kanyo ahead of one hospital money what by a lot of shortages. So this is why we must keep on KMPDU. We always keep on pushing. Building no is good. Keto kiyo nyo all those things work. But there are two of the empty building. Challenge at this school, me school to onge jopony, onge chalk, onge blackboard. Momo jopinya ka koro wa push very hard the counties from the MCA all the way through to CCSGO, to the governor, Mondo, they allocate resources appropriately. Because the counties, other counties have done well in hiring more healthcare workers. So, this hiring of them are bad. Shortages, like I know Ramogi medical officers 32 at one point. Sanegi don't want Chico. That attrition. Because of frustration, your moko way teach, your master. School, people have different things, but every time even before you increase more, replace. Replace. Give more payroll. Somebody else can be hired to handle that. But so far, we come payroll. So now we can take this money when you go tablets in the MCAs. What you go trip here, benchmarking, kia ukunda. Priority is what is lacking in the counties. If the counties would keto weche mag thieth mbele, tije mag county nguma lich apart from weche mag thieth, there's no other big role momi sirikande mag gwenge. Ngina ka woni tich mani maduong ka barabara kera geni loso, CDF geni loso. And what is this one big thing ma counties can sit back? Now I was watching weche mag healthcare division conference and you watch mag ni wasete primary healthcare, preventive healthcare. And look at Kisumo drone. Now they with America. That don't would CDC global payment and OTA office. To be no Kisumo, Dalomoko. Ni drone mama you in the game, Mama already Mogo. Mano is not a priority, Mark Kisumu right now.
Priority
yes, because you cannot take all your money. Why can't we just have no interior basics banyaka bedio siptendewa nika wasegiro health center dispensaries gi mokero nginasa moro mo youth moro to some kama malaria endemic zone yede malaria kikosi maybe antibiotics kikosi at least at dispensary health center level then you say every dispensary gi siptende gite gi pull together to be an ambulance in that region.
Yes.
Yeah. Kaka otamo thiedho gi magi these basic things. They refer the ambulance. To maki go simoni ambulance ne thagro ko yude ni onge mafuta. Tielo tuchi.
Achidh nade ng'eny.
Yes.
Kapod wantiere mano kanyo kata enok magik mopogore opogore ma bende pok ochopo kare osuptendewa ma pacho kae. Wantiere kod